Rudbeckia Goldsturm is a real hard-working plant that provides fabulous colour to your garden all the way from the summer right way through to the autumn and even into early winter. And actually, with the weather pattern the way it is these days, where the winter doesn't seem to get bad until almost Christmas time, these will carry on doing their thing until they get those hard frosts. Now, in terms of where you might plant this is a sun worshipper. This loves to be in a hot, sunny, bright spot. And actually, the more you pick that spot more carefully, the better this will perform. And when you look at the picture right in front of me here, you can see there's just a complete cover of those beautiful flowers. Now, I think they look like a sombrero. You've got that lovely brown cone in the center that the pollinators just flock to. And this is a perfect pollinator plant. So if you want to attract, butterflies, bees, all those beneficial insects into your garden, this is a real plant to do that. Beekeepers in particular would love this plant. But actually, get it in a sunny spot, and the sunnier it is, the more flowers it produces and the better it is. It's also got the RHS Award of Garden Merit. So this has been trialled and tested by the experts, and they know this is going to perform well in your garden. And actually not just over 1 year, but over many, many years, because this is hardy, as in winter hardy, totally and utterly frost-proof. It will come back year after year, and actually once you get it established, it will just do its thing even better in the second, third, fourth year onwards. Going to grow to between 2 and 3 foot tall from the very base of the ground to the tip of the tallest flowers. It's going to spread to around about 2 foot across each individual plant. So in this case, there's a pack of 3. So if you're planting them out, I would say plants always look great in 1s, 3s or 5s. So in this case, either plant them individually, or if you want a really impactful clump, plant them in an equilateral triangle shape around about 2 foot between each plant, and they will excel. And from July through till October or November, you'll just get that amazing flash of those bright golden yellow colours. It's an absolute belter of a plant. It really is a plant that once you have it in your garden, you will never ever want it to be out of your garden. That's how good it is, and the RHS believe that to be the case as well, which is why it's got the RHS AGM. So Rudbeckia Goldsturm, a real plant for the summer season and a fabulous plant to attract those pollinators into your garden.